Imagine making over $1,000 a day with a side hustle that's automated with just one click of a button. We'll dive deep into the powerful world of in-video AI, a game-changing tool that can transform a simple sentence into compelling, faceless YouTube videos of 5, 10, or even 15 minutes in length. We'll explore how these videos are gaining millions of views and thousands of followers, all while requiring minimal effort. We'll even set up a YouTube channel to demonstrate how effective this tool can be. Let's get into it. So what I want to do now is I'm going to first explore in-video AI in detail. So I've used it to create emotional video, but this tool is incredibly versatile. So you can craft a variety of content from motivational list style videos about travel, tech, fitness, and much more. So what I like about it is the ease and efficiency of in-video can save you hours, making content creation accessible and rewarding. Because that's what we're in the business of doing, right? In terms of content creation, we want to make things easier, but also we want to produce more content but make the legwork a lot less invasive, right? So to get started, what you'll need to do is you'll need to sign up for in-video AI, visit their website, and create an account. They offer a free trial, but I honestly suggest that you do a paid subscription if you want to be serious about it, because you get more features and flexibility. So once you're in, I want you to explore the in-video AI dashboard. What you'll notice is that various options and workflows each tailored for different types of videos. So if you're a content creator, you have a different variety of different videos that you want to tailor to the content and your niche that you do have, right? So let's dive deep into the process of creating a video using in-video AI. First, what you want to do is choose the YouTube Explorer video workflow. Now this option allows you to craft longer, more in-depth videos perfect for motivation or any other type of style video that you want to do. Next, you want to specify your video's length. So I personally recommend doing a 10 to 15 minute video for this example. Then tell in-video AI what your video will be about. You want to be specific. Let's say for an example, you want to create a motivational video about not giving up on your dreams, right? Like in my last video, I did a no excuses video, and I actually used in video to make that video. You want to select your preferred voice and style. Like in the other video, I did use my own voice, but you can definitely select the voice there. You can even add humor that suits your content. So if you want to add, some humor that, let's say you want to add some funny moments in your videos, you can do that as well. Next, you want to choose background music that fits the mood of your video, whether it's serious, inspiring, whatever that mood is. There's a variety of different music options that you can take. So you also want to decide if you want to include subtitles for your videos. I always like to include subtitles in my videos. These can help engage a broader audience, so I personally recommend selecting this option. Once you fine-tune your settings, click continue and then generate video. In-video AI will work its magic and create a draft video for you. But that's not all, but you can also edit and customize your video with ease. Now, one option that you do have if you want to make changes to the video, go to edit section. Here you can adjust the media, edit the script, or replace keywords to tailor the video for your liking. You can then review your video and make any additional edits you desire. What I like mostly about this tool is that in-video AI will adapt accordingly to the suggestions that you make. And ultimately, when you're satisfied with the video, what you want to do is you want to click export and choose your preferred resolution. Don't forget to turn off any options you don't need. That's very key and important in this process. So now that you know how to create videos, let's explore other possibilities with in-video AI. What you can do is you can experiment with different workflows for list style videos or even creating engaging Instagram short. Now, while I normally in my videos focus on specific content, in-video AI can be your gateway to a world of possibilities. So whatever niche that you have, there's a lot of different possibilities you can do, right? I think it's perfect for like fitness, if you want to do finance niche, self-improvement niche, a motivational niche, gaming niche, sports niche, you name it. You can definitely use in-video to tailor your videos to meet your specific niche. And also too, by targeting platforms like Instagram with short, impactful videos, you can even widen your audience even further, and also using TikTok. Now, what I think which is gratifying, especially for new content creators, is that once your channel gains traction, you can start monetizing it. So with AdSense revenue, you can also use affiliate marketing and products or course sales. You can quickly see the returns on your investment in video AI. Now, I do suggest that this is a long-term strategy. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You want to develop your following, develop your subscribers and supporters, and then slowly, gradually as they like your content, enjoy your content, give you suggestions about your content, you then, give the people what they want in turn, and then test the market to see if you can test it with courses and different effective other ways that you can make money with social media, right? But I think ultimately in-video AI can definitely be a ticket to thriving YouTube side hustle. With your dedication, consistency, this can be a credible tool. You can definitely make a significant impact with your content creation online. And, remember, YouTube is vast. It has a big audience. It's over, 60 something billion people that utilizes that platform every day. So, the better you can become a content creator and use these AI tools to be more effective and efficient, the more you can potentially use these earnings potential, and your earning potential can be limited. So let's get fit, let's gain wealth, let's improve our lifestyle. Hope this information was helpful for you. On this channel, once again, we talk about fitness, finance, self-improvement, passive income, self-mastery, anything that overall help you improve your lifestyle. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Put in the comment section below, what other AI tools that you utilize for your content creation that's been helpful for you.